Today I'm breaking down the 6323 long, a clean failed breakdown setup from July 22nd. We didn't chase the breakout, we planned for the pullback, and when price gave us structure, we took the trade. Rule-based, risk-first, and by design. All through July, ES was trapped in a tight chop zone. From July 3rd to July 17th, we pinged between 62.45 and 63.33.25. No clean impulse, no follow-through. And as I wrote in the game plans, mid-range trades were low quality. The edges, that's where we found clarity. On July 21st, after finally breaking out of the range and tagging 63.57, we got a pullback. I wrote, opportunity number 1, 63.23 failed breakdown. If we take out Friday's low into 63.15 and then reclaim, that's the area I'm looking to build. Price flushed through the prior low, then it held. We didn't buy the knife. We waited for acceptance, confirmation, and then got long. I entered at 63.23.75 after price reclaimed the breakdown zone and built structure on the 5-min chart. That reclaim above 63.23 was our green light. I managed the trade by the book. T1 at 63.35 partial scale. T2 at 63.51 just under Friday's high. Runner held above 63.33, our old range top. Each level was tied to prior structure, not feeling, not guessing. Pre-planned failed breakdown zone. Waited for reclaim, no front running. Executed on confirmation. Took profits at structure. Held runner based on prior range logic. This wasn't a scalp. This was a system trade, built around a clean reclaim, timed off a zone we mapped out the night before. These trades don't happen every day, but when they do, they're worth the wait. If you want setups like this before they play out, join me at esdaily.com. Every level, every zone, every trade, shared in advance. Like, comment, and subscribe if you found this useful. I'm PriceTrader. Trade with structure, guard your capital, and I'll see you in the next one.